ChatGPT generates answers by guessing word probabilities from the open web. NotebookLM restricts itself entirely to the documents you upload, building a closed-loop system backed by direct, clickable citations. Most new users drop in a few PDFs, click the Generate button, and listen to the default audio summary. This treats a powerful research engine like a basic text summarizer. You end up with shallow overviews that gloss over the critical nuances hidden deep in your texts. To extract high-value analysis, you have to operate this tool as a highly structured research system. The first step is input discipline. Every project needs a dedicated notebook, keeping your topics strictly isolated. As this diagram shows, you have to respect the platform's upload ceilings. Even on the highest paid tier, a single source file cannot exceed 500,000 words or 200 megabytes. If your document is larger than that, it will fail to upload, and you will need to split it into smaller files. Once your files are loaded, you need to use the Configure Chat feature. This sets a strict persona, wrapping a layer of behavioral constraints around the AI's processing core before you type a single question. Instructing the system to act as a senior scientific assistant forces it to prioritize methodology and statistical significance over the broad conclusions written in the abstract, generating structured, data-focused analysis nodes. Dictating the AI's persona up front guarantees that every subsequent answer is tailored to your exact technical requirements. When you ask an AI to summarize 50 papers at once, it defaults to surface-level synthesis, stripping out the exact details you need. This workflow model illustrates the first step of the index trick. You prompt the AI to extract and list only the topic titles across all your uploaded sources into a consolidated bulleted index list. Next, you paste that exact index list back into the chat. You instruct the AI to explain each topic one at a time, pulling evidence from every source simultaneously. This two-step process overrides the summarization reflex. It forces the system to build a comprehensive, cross-referenced map of the literature without losing depth. Audio overviews are popular, but on default settings, the AI hosts tend to ramble and drift into generic banter. This blueprint maps out a custom audio prompt. You can fix the rambling by using the pencil icon in the studio panel to enforce strict production constraints on hosts, defining the exact format, roles, and time limits. Setting a two-voice quiz format where a professor tests a student and instructing the student to deliberately get 3 answers wrong turns a casual chat into a sharp, active recall educational tool. Pause this video, open your current project in NotebookLM, and type a 2-sentence persona constraint into the Configure Chat menu right now. The utility of this platform comes from directing its output formats rather than passively accepting its automated defaults. You can chain these techniques together into a meta-prompting sequence to run a complete workflow from start to finish. This sequence involves mapping the material, identifying surprising information, applying a targeted persona, and executing a devil's advocate critique to expose weak points in your drafts. This graphic outlines the complete NotebookLM system. The first 2 pillars are maintaining clean inputs by respecting the upload limits, and goal anchoring by configuring your persona first. The final 2 pillars are leveraging the index trick for deep synthesis and maintaining strict studio control over your audio and document outputs. NotebookLM acts as a highly capable force multiplier, provided you treat it as a disciplined operational system.